Now, I'd like to introduce the use of the setup worksheet to you. First of all, it's the initial setup sheet. We have set up a very convenient setup guide. The system start date, currency, and the starting day of the week are set here. We need to set the activation date of the system first. The activation date of the system determines the starting month and the ending month of our fiscal year. There is no need to start from January like in some systems. It can start from any date. Now, set the start date as the date of the day when the video was recorded. We can see that all the months of the system's annual cycle have been automatically generated. At the same time, after the activation date is set, the serial number turns into a smiling face. Now, we need to set the starting day of each week. You can choose any day from Monday to Sunday as the starting day of each week. It can be Monday, Sunday, or any date to meet your special needs. Here, we first choose Monday as the starting day of each week. Now, select the default currency of the system. We choose the US dollar as the default currency. We can see that all the currencies in the system are now US dollars. Now, let's change it to British pounds and take a look. We can see that it's all in British pounds now. Let's change it back to US dollars. Now, let's set the highlighting threshold for the budget. We jump to the budget form and can see that there are a total of 3 areas. On the far left is the area where users set the monthly budget. All the sub-items are the categories set in the list setting worksheet and the settings of the debts or saving worksheet. The middle area is the actual amount incurred each month, which is automatically retrieved from the transaction worksheet. The area on the right is the percentage of the actual amount incurred compared to the budget. The colored cells at the top represent the colors presented for different percentages. And the percentage is determined by the budget highlighting threshold. Now, let's make the settings. There are 3 preset options. We first choose 15%, and then we go back to the budget worksheet. We can see that now the yellow cells represent 85% to 100%. 15% is the difference from 100%. Now we choose 20% and then go back to the budget worksheet. We can see that it's now 80% to 100%. We change the threshold back to 15%. The above is the content of the setup worksheet settings.